The Epic Smart Shield Water Filter. Solid carbon block technology allows water to take a slower pass, which means more contact time with the filter. Activated coconut carbon block filters don't clog, and they remove more contaminants than their granular-activated carbon counterparts. And best of all, there are no worries regarding mold or mildew since the unit is bacteriostatic. All these filtering features plus a 12-plus month filter life make Epic Shield the best under-sink water filter for well water. So what makes this Epic Smart Shield water filter truly epic? You don't need a plumber because the system is 100% DIY. No holes to drill, just a screwdriver and a wrench are all that's needed. And if the under-sink isn't where you need a water filtration system, hook up the Epic Smart Shield to your refrigerator for perfect ice cubes and refreshing cold water from the dispenser. Put that picture down. Epic Smart Shield water filter has 15 times the industry-leading gravity-based water filter's pitcher's capacity, and it can remove up to 70 or more contaminants of that same pitcher. Weighing only 5 pounds and measuring 7 inches high by 2 inches deep and 3 inches wide, it's a convenient option in a small space. The Epic comes with a 100% lifetime warranty, no hassles guaranteed. Here are the pros. Third-party certified to 3 different NSF/ANSI water filtration standards. Helps remove chlorine, chemicals, trace pharmaceuticals, and metals. Filters your home's water at just pennies per gallon. And the cons: limited customer support, expenses to purchase additional parts not included. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.